Hi, I'm here with Aurora, and we're playing the Whisper Challenge. You can hear me.
What?
Okay. Wet Willie.
Wee wee.
Wet Willie.
Wilbur.
Wet Willie.
Wee wee.
No. Wet Willie.
Wee wee. It looks like wee wee.
Wet Willie.
What?
Wet Willie.
Wee wee. Wee wee.
Wet Willie.
Wet will.
You're close. Wet Willie.
Wet willy.
Yep.
It looks like wee wee.
You're like, yeah, wee wee.
It looks like wee wee. Okay. Pig tits. Pig tits.
Bastards.
Pig tits.
Boots and cats.
Pig tits.
Boot us.
Pig tits.
Pizza crust. Pina colada.
Pig tits.
Pizzas.
Pig tits.
Penises.
Pig's tits.
Penis.
Pig's tits.
Has.
Pig's tits. Pig's tits.
Okay, do it again.
Pig's tits.
Pizza's penis.
Pig tits.
Pizza.
Pig tits.
Natalia has a penis. Is it really?
No, this is true.
Okay.
Pig tits.
My lesbian.
True, but no.
Did I get it right? What?
Pig. Put it back on?
No, did I get it right?
No.
Oh.
Pig tits.
Pig Sesama.
Pig tits.
Pigs flying. Pig
Pig.
penis.
Pig's tits.
Pig's pizza.
Pig's tits.
Wait, what?
Pig's tits.
Oh, pigs. Do it again.
Pig's tits.
Pigs. Wait, do it again.
Pig's tits.
Pigs titties. What?
Pig's titties.
Oh. Oh. What the hell? Okay. Yeah. I'll just wait for the ad, okay?
Talia is the ugliest person in the world of feathers.
I wait for the ad. And then I'll tell you to put on.
I thought you said something.
This is my new phone. Yeah, so
Doesn't your phone need to charge?
I'll go put it on charge while we play the game. Oh, you got my favourite song. Okay, I'll be right back.
This is mine.
I got a good one. Okay, put it back on. Can you hear me?
Pig's tits.
Okay. Asian's anus.
Natalia's tits.
Asian anus.
H-A.
Asian anus.
Hashalia.
Asian's anus.
Jalapenos.
Asian anus.
H&M.
Asian anus.
H and Wilbur.
No. Asian anus.
H and A.
Asian.
Chinese.
Asian.
Ancient. A Chinese.
No.
H Chinese.
Stop yelling.
Italian's Chinese.
No. Asian. Asian anus.
A China.
Asian. Asian.
H China.
Asian anus.
Ask China.
Do you want me to change it? Because it's a bit hard.
What is it?
It's Asian anus.
Oh.
Okay, I'll change it then. Because it was a bit hard for you. Moo-moos. Oh no.
My boobies.
Let's do it about boobies. Booby juice.
My boobies are juicy.
You're close.
Is it?
You're close though. Booby juice.
My boobies are clean. My boobies are clean. My boobies are big.
Booby juice.
Boobies juicy.
Booby juice.
Boobies drinking. Breast milk.
Booby juice. Juice.
Boobies juice.
Yeah.
Ah.
Booby juice. Okay, my turn. Jalapeno. Okay. Poo. I got it in less than 10 seconds.
I like.
I like that song. He ain't got that go. Okay, ready?
Hurry up.
Hairy vagina.
3 vaginas.
Hairy vagina.
Hairy vagina. We did something else.
You yelled that so loud.
Like,
Thank you. Thank you for watching. What? My cock.
very big. It's brown. And chilly.
Okay, thanks for watching. Ow. Thanks for watching. It's that sleepover, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We hope we get his likes, because, you know, we love you all. No, we don't, but...
I love my parents and my boyfriend.
Who's your boyfriend, eh? It's Anaru.
Everyone knows.
Okay, does Anaru know?
No.
Okay, guys. What are you doing? Okay, thank you for watching.
Ava likes Wilbur.
I love Wilbur. I love Wilbur and she loves Anaru, so have a lovely day.
Boy in the world. Please, smash it.
Oh, that smells like hell.
Smash it.
Nah, it's from Katy Perry. Okay,
Is it real?
can you
If
read
Katy
the...
Perry
No.
gave it to her.
No, read the love heart. Okay, thanks for watching, subscribe, hit that like button, have a good life, I hope you die, goodbye.